Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's on the cutting edge of technology: Humane AI Pins. Have you ever wondered how we can ensure artificial intelligence AI is developed and used responsibly? Well, Humane AI Pins might just be the answer. Buckle up, because in this video we'll be exploring the what, why, and how of Humane AI Pins. We'll uncover their potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI and build a more ethical future. What are Humane AI Pins? So let's get down to brass tacks. What exactly are Humane AI Pins? Imagine a small digital badge, a kind of good housekeeping seal of approval for AI. This pin signifies that an AI system has been developed according to a set of ethical principles and guidelines. These principles focus on things like transparency, fairness, accountability, and safety. By displaying the pin, creators can demonstrate their commitment to responsible AI development. It acts as a symbol of trust for users, letting them know the AI is designed to be beneficial and not harmful. Why are Humane AI Pins important? Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about some digital pin? Here's the deal: as AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's crucial to develop it responsibly. Imagine an AI-powered recommendation system that perpetuates racial bias, or a social media AI that manipulates users' emotions. Scary stuff, right? Humane AI Pins aim to prevent these scenarios. They promote transparency, so we understand how AI works and what data it uses. Additionally, they emphasize fairness to ensure AI doesn't discriminate against certain groups. By prioritizing ethics, we can build AI that benefits people and society as a whole. How do Humane AI Pins work? Alright, so the idea of ethical AI sounds promising, but how do Humane AI Pins actually function? There are two main aspects. 1. The Humane AI Framework. Imagine a set of rules and guidelines for building ethical AI that's essentially the Humane AI Framework. This framework outlines key principles that developers should follow when creating AI systems. Here are some core principles. Transparency: users should understand how the AI works and what data it uses. Fairness: AI systems should avoid bias and ensure everyone is treated equally. Accountability: there should be clear responsibility for the actions and decisions the AI makes. Safety: AI systems should be designed to minimize risks and potential harm. 2. Verification and certification. Once an AI is developed following the Humane AI framework, the system undergoes verification. This involves a rigorous process to ensure it meets the outlined ethical standards. If the system passes verification, it's then eligible to receive the Humane AI Pin. This pin acts as a public symbol demonstrating the AI's commitment to ethical development. The potential of Humane AI Pins. Humane AI Pins have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. Here are some exciting possibilities. Increase trust in AI: by displaying the pin, creators can build public trust in their AI systems. This can lead to wider adoption and acceptance of AI technology. Empowering users can be more informed about the AI they interact with. This allows them to make conscious choices about using AI technologies. Promoting ethical development: Humane AI Pins encourage developers to prioritize ethics from the very beginning of the design process. By promoting transparency, fairness, and accountability, we can harness the power of AI for positive change. There's a lot to consider, but the possibilities are truly exciting. Will Humane AI Pins become the ultimate symbol of responsible AI development? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure: the conversation about ethical AI has begun. And that's a positive step towards a brighter future. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of Humane AI Pins. What are your thoughts on this technology? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious.
Big D made it.